You want to vacuum some dogs, Kellen? We're going to take these two tools, the for real and the hammerhead, and we're going to take a look and see how they do at getting rid of these dogs' hair. So, Mitzi, are you ready? Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, it's so nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh. So let's switch to this one. Go to the hammerhead too. See, that's nice. Picking up the dog hair right out of that. One dog, one vacuuming. Pretty good amount of hair. So this is all the dog hair we got from there. So we're gonna put it all over the carpet. So first we're gonna try the for real. And look how easily that hair just comes right out. All those little hairs, just grab it and suck it into the vacuum. Good job, Kellen. The hammerhead and the for real. So easy, an 18-month-old can do it. Check it out at buffbrite.com.